Before you pack up for your next trip into the great outdoors, you definitely want to make sure you've got a portable grill that can handle the elements and help you churn out a delicious, camping-friendly meal. Whether you're car or RV camping, tailgating, or backpacking, you want a lightweight, space-efficient, and easily transportable grill to bring along for easy cooking. The fuel type, size, and portability features of the grill will help determine which model is right for you and your lifestyle. Remember, camping grills are not the same as camping stoves. Camping stoves are propane burners, whereas camping grills are still a means to cook over an open fire. Here, the best grills for camping.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Coleman Gas Grill. This portable tabletop grill comes ready to use right out of the box with no assembly necessary. The easy knob ignition allows for a quick flame and a temperature that's easy to control. There are 2 heat zones. The grill is also equipped with cast iron grates, a griddle, and stove grates if you want to swap out your surfaces depending on what you're cooking. With 225 square inches of cooking space, you've got plenty of room to whip up a hearty meal for 4 or more people. The grease management system also makes it super safe and easy to clean up. Reviewers love how easy it is to maintain and clean, as well as the durable cast iron grates. Number 2, Weber Q1200 Liquid Propane Grill. With a wide range of color options, this grill not only looks good, but it can churn out some seriously delicious food on the go. The cooking grates are made of porcelain enameled cast iron, and the lid and body are made of cast aluminum for highly durable construction. No need to worry about assembling the grill because it comes assembled right out of the box. It also boasts a handful of convenient design features such as a built-in lid thermometer, folding side tables, a glass-reinforced nylon frame, and a removable drip pan for easy, effortless cleanup. There are 189 square inches of available cooking space, which makes this a great middle-of-the-road size for camping trips. Designed for tabletop use, you'll love this grill for camping trips, picnics, and tailgating. Keep in mind, though, that it's not the lightest portable grill you'll find. At around 30 pounds, you won't want to trek too far with it. Number 3, Cuisinart CCG 190RB Inch BBQ Portable Charcoal Grill. This ultra-lightweight charcoal grill is a great option for someone who's not looking to break the bank on their camping grill. At just 2 pounds, this grill is super lightweight, making it a great option for transporting. With 150 square inches of cooking space, you still have plenty of room to create a delicious meal for 2 to 4 people. The short legs make it easy to pack and fit into tiny spaces. The dual vents on the lid allow you to cook low and slow or crank out high heat for serving burgers, steaks, and veggies. Charcoal requires more time to light than a propane ignition, but the food will be much more flavorful and smokier than what you cook over a propane grill. Reviewers note that this grill is not as durable and tough as other models, so if you are looking for a camping grill to last you for years and years of outdoor cooking, you may want to invest in something of higher quality. Number 4, Cuisinart CGG 180 TB Portable Propane, Petit Gourmet Tabletop Gas Grill. The Cuisinart CGG 180T Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill is an easy-to-use compact grill. The lightweight grill includes a large handle and a locking lid for easy transport. Though small in size, it has a 145 square inch cooking area that can fit 8 hamburgers. Before use, extend the legs to keep it sturdy on a picnic table and attach the propane tank. This grill includes a turnstile igniter, and a small 1-pound propane tank will last for multiple grilling sessions, though it is possible to purchase an attachment to hook the grill up to a larger tank. You'll find that the grill distributes its 5,500 BTUs heat evenly, and the lid can close while cooking. Unlike other compact grills, the porcelain-coated steel grates are non-stick, easy to clean, and cool down quickly. The grill contains a drip tray, but it can get full quickly and lead to messier cleanup. Number 5, the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. The Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill is a portable grill with a large cooking area needed for feeding a big group. The ingenious design resembles a dolly when collapsed, which allows for easy transporting and can be set up using only one hand. A push-button igniter starts the single burner and pumps out a staggering 13,000 BTUs, efficiently using a small propane tank. The high-powered burner heats the spacious 320 square inch cooking surface, which is enough space to grill 15 burgers at a time. As an added bonus, this grill includes a side table to hold condiments or servingware. The porcelain enameled, cast iron cooking grates are easy to clean and the drip guard handles the grease. The Traveler is compact and can fit in car trunks and can also be stored upright when not in use.